Hi everyone, we are currently at Zion West RV Park in Leeds, Utah. It's a nice smaller park, a few amenities like laundry. There's areas to walk your dog and some grassy areas. It's a small park, mostly full-timers, but they do have a few spots for big rigs to come in and lots for Class C and vans and small travel trailers. The views here are beautiful. I'll show you those. Look at these mountains. And that's Red Reef and Red Reef Trails down there. So there's hiking nearby. There's a ghost town, all kinds of fun little things to do. Not too far from shopping, etc. if you need to pick up on that stuff.
And here is a view going down the street here on the second middle street, I guess, of where we are. And this is one of the quietest parks I've ever been at. I swear there's cars and people around, but I never hear anybody. And here is where we are. So, good park. Definitely recommend it. Beautiful scenery all around us. So check out Zion West RV Park.